Isabeau Levito, born March 3, 2007, is an American figure skater. She is the 2024 World Silver Medalist, 2022-23 Grand Prix Final Silver Medalist, the 2023 Grand Prix de France Champion, a 6-time ISU Grand Prix medalist, a 5-time ISU Challenger Series medalist, 3 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze, the 2023 U.S. National Champion, and a 3-time U.S. National Bronze Medalist 2022, 2024, 2026. At the junior level, Levito is the 2022 World Junior Champion, the 2021 JGP France Champion, the 2021 JGP Austria Silver Medalist, and the 2021 U.S. Junior National Champion. Personal life: Levito was born on March 3, 2007 in Philadelphia and currently resides in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Her mother, Chiara Garberi Levito, is a clinical embryologist who immigrated to the United States from Milan, Italy in 1997. Her father, Joseph Levito, was from Philadelphia and died in 2019. Levito is named after Michelle Pfeiffer's character, Isabeau in the film Lady Hawk. She speaks English, Italian, and some Russian. Levito sight skaters Elena Kostornaya, Evgenia Medvedeva, Elizaveta Tomasheva, and Kori Sakamoto as being her skating inspirations and role models. Levito began learning how to skate in 2010 at the age of 3 in Mount Laurel, New Jersey. Her mother, a figure skating fan, initially put her in Learn to Skate classes to improve her balance. Levito began taking private lessons with her current coach Yulia Kuznetsova, a former pair skater, at age 3. She competed at her first U.S. Figure Skating Championships at the juvenile level in 2018, taking the title. She later won the silver medal in the intermediate category in 2019, the junior silver medal in 2020, and the junior national title in 2021. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 Vlogs.